Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to create a 3D news globe. So starting from 3ds Max program. So after load or open 3ds Max, there we have a welcome screen. Let's close this one. We have 4 viewports. So this viewport for front view and top view, left view. And this viewport perspective mean if you need to orbit, press Alt on keyboard, middle mouse button, you can orbit the viewport. So if you need to move, middle mouse button to move. So if you need to zoom in, zoom out, just scroll the mouse like this. So if you need to set the grid plan to your scene, press Z on keyboard. So if you need to maximize this viewport, move your mouse there, press Alt plus W on keyboard, press Alt plus W. So if you need to maximize this top view, press Alt plus W. Okay. What about primary shortcuts of 3ds Max? Create a simple 3D box. If you need to move, press W for pivot point of move to X-axis, Z-axis, and Y-axis. If you need to rotate, press E on keyboard to rotate. If you need to scale, press R on keyboard, control the scale. So in second way, you have right click. In right click, you can control, move, rotate, scale. But there you have the icons of the move, rotate, scale. So if you need to control the size of the pivot point, press plus or minus on keyboard. Okay guys, select the teapot for example. Create multi-models in different size. Like this. If you need to control this model, press Z. You can focus on your model. So if you need to control just this model, click on isolate icon. You can focus on your model. So click again on isolate icon, exit from isolate. Press Ctrl plus A, select all, press delete, delete, press Z, set. And now let's create a multi-teapot again. So if you need to control, select all, rotate. So go back to rotate icon, select the first one. Select the first one and rotate again. These icons is difference between rotate individual. So if you need to rotate group, select all, press delete to delete, press Z, set. And now time to create the 3D globe. First, go to create geosphere, not a sphere. Take a look about the difference between geosphere and sphere. If you need to create a high poly model of the 3D Earth globe, the geosphere is polygon too much high. So select again, change the segments to 50 and go to modify and click on list. So go to where? Go to displays, find displays, click on bitmap and go to where? This PC, archive and go to media files. Sorry, go to course files. this top files and let me find the alpha earth map image. Select this one, open, and if you need to edit, go to materials, drag and drop there and click on view image, crop the label and apply, close. So now change this trend to minus and change the type of displays to spherical. Good. Okay, go back to this geosphere. If you need to create a high poly model in high quality, change the segments in 100. Create another new geosphere, create there and change the segments into 10. Select, then click on alignment icon, click on the first geosphere, turn on center, turn on alignment, X, Y, and Z positions, click OK. Go back to modify and change the radius. Not bad. Okay, and now I want to create the earth line. So go to, click on shapes and go to helix, press Alt W, change the viewport and focus from the top viewport. Click the center of the sphere, create helix line and click again. Once again click, and now go back to modify if you need to control, change the sides. So control from the radius 1, Control Z, and control from the turns, control from the height, zoom out, move it down, control the heights and move it up there. So I need to create or change this shape to 3D. Change the lines into 3D, turn on, enable in render, enable in viewport, change from radial to rectangular, and press Alt on keyboard to change slowly, control the thickness, and control the weight. So let's see how to control the quality of the line. Okay, right click, convert to edit poly. If you need to export these three 3D models to After Effects, and press R a little bit, scale up the size, select all, go to File, Export, select it, and click on Desktop. Change the type to OBJ, and right here, 3D Earth Glue Editor. Click on Export, and let's go to Adobe After Effects. Click on New Composition. Set the presets Full HD. Change the time 0.5. Enter. Create a new solid by pressing Ctrl plus Y on keyboard. And right there, Element 3D. Enter and go back to Effects. Go to Video Compiler. Select the element. And wait. Let's see. 3ds Max. Click on Done and minimize. Go to Scene Setup of Element 3D plugin. Okay guys. And now click on Import your 3D model from desktop. 3D Earth Glue. Click Open. Turn on the Use Auto Normals for your 3D model and click OK. Select the scale icon and scale up the size. Okay, let's apply some materials. Let's apply the glass material for the line. Select glass material. First expand group folder and select glass material, apply on bright green. Select again the glass and go to setting, change the blend mode to add. So select again the water, the oceans, and select the black outline glass, apply there. Let's see the materials, not bad. And now time to apply material for the landscape. So let's apply first the red material, not bad. Let's go to change environment, click there and click here. Select this environment, click OK. Let's change the light to 360, not bad. So click on OK, wait. Let's create a new camera with 24mm, click OK. Select Element 3D Solid and go to Group 1, Particle Look, change the particle size, and let's make animation. Select again, go to Where, Particle Replicator, go to Rotation. Here you can rotate. Let's use expression for animation. Press Alt on keyboard, click on stopwatch y-axis, and right there time start, not too fast and not too slow. Right, what? 250, the standard rate. Play now. So if you need to animate slow, change this rate 25. Play again. Too slow. Okay, go back to render setting and go to lighting, change to 360. Click again. Right 75. Play again. 75. So if you need to add some backgrounds, double click. First, import 4K quality background, double click Video Copilot, materials, environment, backlights, 4K, and select this red or this dark. Turn off import JPEG sequence, click on import and right click, create a new solid right there, horizon, and go back to effects, trap code, select horizon, click on image map and select backlight 4K. Select the camera and go to camera setting, change to 15mm. Select Element 3D, change the size of particle, and select again horizon, apply lens blur, camera lens blur, apply this on background. And let's change the price of the blur radius. Select the camera. So before selecting camera, press U or Alt, click there, right again, climb, star, 10. Okay, select camera control now from my camera. Not bad. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create 3D news globe in 3ds Max and then export from 3ds Max to After Effects by Element 3D, and how to apply materials and how to animate in After Effects for your project. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck. All of you.